a new project. Never opened one of these before. I'm not an expert in any way, shape or form, and obviously a disclaimer, do not use this video as any way a how-to video. This is more for my own personal reference because, as I said, I'm going to open it up, which I've never done before, and if I muck something up, I know watching the footage back on how to put it back together. I'm probably the only person in history that actually does stuff like this, but I have made sure I am equipped with a assault ratchet with next to no life. It's good to go. First we've got to get off this huge ass thing. Mount. Yeah, I've been thinking about doing this for quite a while. Doing a bit like a gearbox rebuild, which I don't really want to do, I'm not going to lie, as I've never done it. But we will have to start somewhere. Nothing is ever simple. That one like that. Was told that the gearbox is in good nick, but it's obviously I can't confirm or disconfirm until I took it all to bits. I'm keeping that for later. But I am looking at putting in the taller fifth gear, which I've never done, I might add. Obviously I've never opened one, so it's all new to me. But I'll leave the camera on for as long as it can. I'll just cut out boring bits, but as I say, it's more for my own personal reference. And I did actually give the box a bit of a clean. As you can see, it's all making a mess. Be gone. Instant clean work surface. Now, get off the top hat. Where's the screwdriver gone? It is. Oh, maybe one day I'll actually stop with Land Rovers. And we are back. So I've got the cover off. I'm seeing a fair bit of illness. I've never took one of these off before, so I'm hoping it's just undo the couple of bolts and it's as simple as that. I'm hoping. I believe these look 10mm. Oh, it's 10mm. That's a good start. That one, really? Well, that one was 10mm. Oh. Haven't got very far, and already we are experiencing technical difficulties. Right, I'm going to get this off and I'll just come back. Anything worth filming, I'll bung the camera on. I've barely even started this gearbox and it's really annoying me. Here is the bolt. I'll have to worry about getting out after, but I strongly advise a pack of these. I'm not reviewing them, because there you go, you can see them now. They're rounded bolt extractors. It's actually on the floor. But as you can see, it's right in there on the bolt. I wonder if I can get it out live on camera so you can actually see it. Oh, it fell out. But as you can see, it's a chewed up bolt head. And as you undo it, it's literally biting in. As you can see, the scroll lines where it's actually bit in to get it out. On an impact assault ratchet, on an assault ratchet, you can get the bad boy out. Put it back in there because I don't lose it. Oh. Need a mallet. Right, that's that out. And the bolt missing. What I'll do while I'm going, oh, that bolt's knackered, not that one. I'm going to put that bolt back in exactly where I got it from, just so that I don't end up with a pile of bolts on the bench and go, where on earth do these go? Well, that's just gone into oblivion. At least it didn't fall in there. Now, the reason why I want to put the bolts back is because my tub of odd bolts I find here and there after a project is kind of full. So I'm going to have to unfortunately start putting them back where they belong. And looking in here, I really don't want to touch this camera because it's all going to fall over. If I tilt it, it looks pretty clean. I'm seeing fluid in there still. It doesn't smell of water, that's a good start. I'm feeling hopeful. Where's my blowtorch? I need a blowtorch to get that bad boy out. But with the salt ratchet, I might. No, I need the proper tool. I'm going to get the blowtorch, heat that little training grub screw, because I know there's red thread locker on there, and I believe it's red. And I'll be back. I wonder if I can get this reverse switch out actually. I'm getting ahead of myself. Try and do too much in the first tool I pick up. Look at that. Oh, this is going really well. It says here that nearly rounded the bolt head. Ooh, look at that. I believe, I don't even know if this is even any good. I know my one's good, but I don't want to make unnecessary breakages if I don't need to. I'll pull that bad boy out, and then I'll put that somewhere to lose. I'll put it up there and forget it's there. Right, I'm going to give it a little sweep up, sweep all this off, get it tied up on the bench, and then we'll resume. Sod's law, the tools that's after this, oh! As I say, don't copy what I do. The tools that I was after this was actually right behind my feet. In the UK we say Sod's law. I believe the saying in America is Murphy's law. I do actually have a couple of powder fire extinguishers within arm's reach, so if anything does go wrong, don't worry, I am prepared. But heat this up a bit. Obviously I don't want to do too much because I don't want to be ruin everything. Go on there, and then there we go. It's slightly warm. Now I need to find the tool I just had that's just gone. This will do. Oh, that is hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Should have pushed that forward there. There we go. Now I can get it out. Where's my long nose pliers? Here they are. Extremely. Now don't lose that. Try and get in the practice from dropping stuff in there. Oh. I just thought I dropped it in there, but it didn't go far. Undo that little bad. Undo that. Do that bad boy up. That's quite warm. I'll place that there and forget about it and burn myself. That's the Discovery Selector Quadrant. It looks like it's been forced. A mystery. That goes down there. Oh, what else have I got to take off? In what order? Oh, that's right. If what I'll do is I'll undo the sump plug on this, start getting the oil out, because I haven't undone the oil, I haven't taken the oil out yet. And then winter bet I'll forget about it, undo this, and it will go bleh everywhere. So we'll be back in a minute. Right, as you can see, what I did do, I took the pellets off to make life so much easier for myself, supporting the weight. Now for more of my own bed, for James of the future, remember James, there's 2 bolts, that's up the correct way, so there you got the 2 bolts, remember, that one was a pig, that needs changing, remember James of the future, that needs changing. But once again, my difficult bolt extractor has proven its worth in money. Right, put the bolts back so I know where they are. Just going to turn the box round. I'm going to drain the fluid. I don't need to put that on camera, but I've just inserted this little bit just so that I remember that for future reference, because that was a bit of a pig. But not a problem for me, as I am cool and I have fixed said problem. And I should not lift it off the pinion shaft, I know. And that there is a badly supported R380 gearbox. Yes, very chewed up. I don't know if I'll be able to get that out. But I did have, a tool. I have a mallet. Let's see if we can get it out on camera. I'm leaving bits of dirt in there, that might help with a bit of grip, that feels quite nice. And in the words of James, send it! Oh, look at that, it come out on camera. That is what victory looks like. Oh dear. Sniff test. Doesn't. Stinks. I think it's had water in it. Let's just. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Well, that's more of a burgundy colour to me. Black would mean it's burnt, gold would mean it's good, no oil would mean it's bad. I don't know what burgundy means. I'm going to say that's good. Yes, that's good news. Good news. We have oil, that's a good start. Right, I'm going to drain this oil. If I find anything in said oil, I will put a picture of it. That's 32mm, perfect. Chance favours the prepared mind. I knew where that was from when I'd done my oil change on the 110. That's the only 32mm spanner I have. I'm waffling. Right, I'm going to cut it here and we'll come back later. Yeah, I'll cut it here and come back later.